Hello, this is Julie Hall. Welcome to our Excel to Word document automation add-in. Our add-in makes it easy to update content in Word and PowerPoint documents based on text, tables, images, and charts from Excel workbooks. In this video, I'll show you how to map or link content between Excel and PowerPoint so the content can be easily updated. First, let me show you how to update PowerPoint when you already have the link set up. I'll be using our sample content that can be found in the Start tab of our add-in, right here. First, make any changes you wish to make in Excel, and then you'll submit them through the add-in. So I'm going to change a few of the numbers here, and I'm going to change my customer name to Test. Then I'll go ahead to the Submit tab, and I'll submit content. That was successful. So now I'll go over to PowerPoint, and I'm going to go to the Update option here under the Update tab of the add-in. I will choose that, and once that's successful, I will see an option to download a document. I'll go ahead and do that, and we'll be able to see the changes in the new document. We can see that numbers have changed, and my customer has changed to Test. And sometimes this will freeze when you go back to the other PowerPoint option. So in order to prevent that, it's always good to enable editing for the new document you created. Let's get started with linking content between Excel and PowerPoint. I'm going to use our Excel sample content, which already has the Excel content named. If you need help creating links in Excel, please see our Excel linking instructions that can be found in this video description. I'm going to make some changes in Excel. Number of users, duration of years, and I'm going to change the customer name to New. Then I'll go over to the add-in and submit content so that I can use it in PowerPoint. Next, I'll start with a new PowerPoint document and open up our add-in. Then I'm going to go to the Link tab and get Excel content. That'll bring over the content I submitted from Excel. And when you're working with PowerPoint, you work with shapes. And the first type of content I'm going to use is text. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a text box. I'm going to write name in the text box. What I'm going to be moving over is the information about the customer name from Excel. So back in the add-in, I look at the type of content I want, which is text, the sheet that it's coming from in Excel, and then the specific line item. In this case, I want the customer name. So when I do that, I see that some code has appeared down here. I want to copy that, including the curly brackets. And then I'm going to go back to my name, right-click on the border, and then I'll choose Edit Alt Text. And this is where I'm going to paste the content I copied. You're not able to see the add-in and the alt text at the same time, but you can toggle between the two by clicking on the icons. Now let's link the content in a table in Excel to a table in PowerPoint. You can either paste a table from Excel or create one in PowerPoint. Let's create one. First, I'm going to look at which table I want to be doing. So I go to the table, and the table I want to put in is the ROI sum table. And the add-in will tell you how large of a table you'll need. So in this case, I'm going to insert a table that is 4 columns and 4 rows. Now, I want to copy the code that was created here, go to the table, right-click so that I can edit alt text, and then go ahead and paste that information right here. It's a good idea to update charts in PowerPoint from ranges or tables in Excel. Updating charts this way dramatically reduces the data file transfer size. You just need to make sure that you add the suffix VAL to the table you create in Excel. This makes sure your data is transferred accurately. So the first thing we'll do is create a chart in PowerPoint. So I'll go to Insert, Chart, choose my chart, and then I won't need the Excel information here, and I'll go ahead and reduce my chart. Then I'm going to go over to the add-in and choose the table that goes with that chart. And so I choose table, and then I go to chart source val, which is the one I want. And as you can see, I do have the val on the end of that. Then I'm going to go ahead and copy my code that was created. Then I'll go to my chart, right click, go to Edit Alt Text, and go ahead and paste that right there. You can also link charts through their image. This method uses a lot more file space compared to updating a chart from a table. We'll start off by copying a chart in Excel. Then we'll go ahead and paste it into PowerPoint as an image or a picture. Over in the add-in, I'm going to look for the content for that. We're looking for a chart and image, and this one was the cost and benefits chart. And so I'll update that so I can copy my code here. And then again, I right-click on my chart so I can get to the Edit Alt Text and paste it here. Once you have all the PowerPoint shapes that you want linked, you'll go to the Update tab of the add-in and choose Update Document. This will create a new PowerPoint document with your updates. Once the new document is created, you will see an option to download it. See, it's successful, and there's my option to download. Click on Download your document, and your updated document will open. And we can see here now that my text has been updated to new, my table has been updated, and both of my charts have been updated. We hope this video allows you to update PowerPoint documents from Excel. Analysis Place is working hard to make your document automation easier. Please subscribe to discover more helpful videos.